Selena, Class 10, Chapter 9, Matrices. Sum number 6. If 2 into 3x01 plus 3 into 1 3y2 equal to z minus 7 15 8, find the value of x, y and z. 2 into 3x minus 0 1 plus 3 into 1 3y2 equal to z minus 7 15 8. First multiply. 2 into 3 6, 2 into x 2x, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 1 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 into y 3y, 3 2s are 6 equal to z minus 7 15 8. Now add 6 plus 3 9, 2x plus 9, 0 plus 3y, 2 plus 6 8 equal to z minus 7 15 8. Comparing the corresponding elements, we get 2x plus 9 minus 7, 2x equal to minus 16, x equal to minus 8, 3y equal to 15, y equal to 5, okay, and 9 equal to z or z equal to 9. Therefore, x equal to minus 8, y equal to 5, z equal to 9. Sum number 7. Given a equal to minus 3, 6, 0, minus 9 and a t raised to t is its transpose matrix. Find a 2a plus 3a transpose. A is equal to minus 3, 6, 0, minus 9. A transpose, rows will become columns and columns will become row. So minus 6 3, minus 3 6, minus 3 6, 0 9 minus 9, 0 minus 9. Therefore A transpose is minus 3 0 6 minus 9. Now substitute the value 2 into A. So 2 into minus 3 6 0 minus 9 plus 3 into A transpose. 3 A transpose is minus 3 0 6 minus 9. Now multiply. 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 2 into 6 12, 2 into 0 0, 2 9 into minus 9 minus 18 plus 3 into minus 3 minus 9, 3 into 0 0, 3 6 are 18, 3 into minus 9 minus 27. Now add the two mode matrix. Minus 6 minus 9 is minus 15, 12 plus 0 12, 0 plus 18 18, minus 18 minus 27 minus 45. Second part, 2 into A transpose minus 3 into A. Substitute the values, we get 2 into minus 3 0 6 minus 9 minus 3 into minus 3 6 0 minus 9. First multiply. 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 6 12, 2 into minus 9 minus 18 minus, here also first multiply. 3 into minus 3 minus 9, 3 into 6 18, 3 into 0 0, 3 into minus 9 minus 27. Now subtract. 3 minus into minus plus 9, minus 6 plus 9 plus 3, 0 minus 18 minus 18, 12 minus 0 plus 12, minus 18 plus 27 plus 9. Third part, half into A minus 1 by 3 into A transpose equal to half, substitute the value of A minus 3 6 0 minus 9 minus 1 by 3, substitute the value of A transpose, minus 3 0 6 minus 9. First multiply, minus 3 by 2, 6 upon 2 3, 0 upon 2 0, minus 9 by 2, minus 3 by 3 minus 1, 0 by 3 0, 6 upon 3 2, minus 9 by 3 minus 3. Now subtract, minus 3 by 2 plus 1, 3 minus 0, 0 minus 2, minus 9 by 2 plus 3 equal to, here multiply and divide by 2. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 upon 2, 3 minus 2, minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3 upon 2. Fourth part, A transpose minus 1 upon 3A. Substitute the value of A and A transpose, minus 3 0 6 minus 9, minus 1 upon 3, substitute the value of A, minus 3 6 0 minus 9. First do the multiplication, minus 3 upon 3 minus 1, 6 upon 3 2, 0 upon 3 0, minus 9 upon 3 minus 3, minus 3 0 6 minus 9 minus 1 2 0 minus 3, minus 3 minus into minus plus 1 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 6 minus 0 6, minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. Sum number 8. Given A equal to 1 1 minus 2 0 and B equal to 2 minus 1 1 1, solve of matrix X. Part 1. X plus 2A equal to B. 2A taken to the right minus 2A. Therefore, X equal to B minus 2A. Now substitute the values of A and B. X equal to 2 minus 1 1 1 minus 2 into 1 1 minus 2 0 equal to, first multiply, minus 2 into 1 2, 2 into 1 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 2 into 0 0. Now do the subtraction, 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2, 1 plus 4, 1 minus 0. Therefore, X equal to minus 2 into minus 2 0, minus 1 into minus 2, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1 plus 4 5 and 1. Second part, 3x plus b plus 2a equal to 0. Transpose the term b and a to the right hand side. We get 3x equal to minus 2a minus b. Now substitute the value of a and b. We get minus 2 into 1 1 minus 2 0 minus b is 2 minus 1 1 1. Do the multiplication, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2 4, minus 2 into 0 0, minus 2 minus 1 1 1. Now do the subtraction, 3x equal to minus 4 minus 1 3 minus 1. Divide by 3 on both the sides, x equal to 1 upon 3 into minus 4 minus 1 3 minus 1 equal to minus 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3, 3 upon 3 1 minus 1 upon 3. X equal to minus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3 1 minus 1 by 3. Third part, 3a minus 2x equal to x minus 2b. X taken to this side plus 2x, so 3x, 2b taken to here plus 2b. Therefore 3x equal to 3a plus 2b. Substitute the value of a and b. equal to 3 into 1 1 minus 2 0 plus 2 into 2 minus 1 1 1. First do the multiplication. 3 into 1 3, 3 into 1 3, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 3 into 0 0, plus here also do the multiplication. 4 minus 2 2 2. Now do the addition. 3 plus 4 7, minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, 0 plus 2 2, 3 minus 2 1. 3x equal to 7 1 minus 4 2. Now divide by 3. X equal to 1 upon 3 into 7 1 minus 4 2 equal to 7 upon 3 1 upon 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Sum number 9. If m equal to 0 1 n equal to 1 0, show that 3m plus 5n equal to 5 upon 3. 3m plus 5n. Substitute the value of m and n. We get 3 into 0 1 plus 5 into 1 0 equal to 3 into 0 0. 3 into 1 3 plus 5 into 1 5, 5 into 0 0. 0 plus 5 5, 3 plus 0 3. Therefore 3m plus 5n equal to 5 3. Sum number 10. If I is the unit matrix of order 2 into 2 by 2, and find the matrix M such that M minus 2i equal to 3 into minus 1 0 4 1. 2i taken to the right plus 2i. Therefore M equal to 3 into minus 1 0 4 1 plus 2i. 2i is 2 1 0 0 1. 3 into minus 1 0 4 1 plus 2 into 1 0 0 1. M equal to minus 3 0 12 3 plus 2 0 0 2 equal to minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. 0 plus 0 0. 12 plus 0 12. 3 plus 2 5. M equal to minus 1 0 12 5. Second part. 5m plus 3i equal to 4 into 2 minus 5 0 minus 3. 5m equal to 4 3i taken to the right minus 3i. Substitute the value. 4 into 2 minus 5 0 minus 3 minus 3 I is 1 0 0 1. First do the multiplication. 4 2s are 8. 4 minus 5 minus 20. 4 into 0 0. 4 into minus 3 12 minus 3 0 0 1. Do the subtraction. 8 minus 3 5 minus 20 minus 0 minus 20. 0 minus 0 0. 12 minus 12 minus 3 minus 15. 5m equal to 5 minus 20 0 minus 15. Divide by 5. M equal to 1 upon 5 into 5 minus 20 0 minus 15 equal to 5 upon 5 1 minus 20 upon 5 4 minus 4 0 upon 5 0 minus 15 upon 5 minus 3. Therefore m equal to 1 minus 4 0 minus 3. Sum number 11. If 1 4 minus 2 3 plus 2m equal to 3 into 3 2 0 minus 3, find the matrix M. 1 4 minus 2 3 plus 2m equal to 3 into 3 2 0 minus 3. 2m equal to this matrix taken to the right minus. So therefore 2m equal to, and multiply here also. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 0, 3 into minus 3 minus 9 minus 1 4 minus 2 3 equal to, do the subtraction, 9 minus 1, 8, 6 minus 4, 2, 0 minus into minus plus 2, minus 9, minus 3, minus 12. M equal to, divide by 2, 1 upon 2, 8, 2, 2 minus 12 equal to 8 upon 2, 4, 2 upon 2, 1, 2 upon 2, 1, minus 12 upon 2, minus 6. Therefore, M equal to 4, 1, 1, minus 6.